Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulampang ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela uba Metbah lengdo hne kesngi habaya keren bat kinong tho khubor halor ke jingpen bena jong menteri rangba ke jela ban kentiu no ya ka Mairang civil subdivision sha ke district ulapan pau ya ke jing snowman habaya dei bat kani shu na kaleng jong ulampang uba deiru UMLA ka Mairang ulayathu ba ke jing dawa ban kentiu ya ka Mairang civil subdivision sha ke district kalalong nadu menchua bat haki kendiat benai baladep hakawai na kijing yalang kaba menteri rangba ukonrat sangma ulai don bentalang ulapan pau ba ka Mairang kan sayo ya ka district kaba thamai bat menta kala urlong da kijing penbena jong menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat sangma bat ya ka ni ka district en saplino shen hakawai pat kalyang habaya dei bat kijing dawa ban kentiu ya ka Sohra civil subdivision sha ka district na kalyang uba Metbah ulapan pau ba kaniru kadai kawai kaba kiju ya kren barabor nadu kipor jong Dr. Don Kuparoy bat na kalyang ka jongu un Buddien ya kaniru bantip hadu kadno kalayat
Mairang civil subdivision will be upgraded to a district level. It's already been assured and announced by the Honorable Chief Minister on the 31st of March 2021 in one of the programs which we had at Mairang constituency, where he has come personally and make that kind of announcement. Even for me also, I was very delighted and very happy to see that he has agreed, understanding the need and the demand of the people of Mairang civil subdivision, comprising of Mokhtar and Mairang constituency, that this civil subdivision should be upgraded to the district level. And we have discussed and we have decided also that we will inaugurate the new district at the earliest. But because of this, again, the second wave lockdown of this pandemic, things have slowed down and we have to go by the time. And Chief Minister, again, he announced it that he would like to do it before the 15th of August. So that will be good and that will be great. But again, we have to look at what is this lockdown and where all this SOP and protocols which has been followed. So we'll try to see that. What area of the Mairang civil subdivision, and which consisted of two blocks. One is of Mairang blocks and one is Mokhtar blocks. These two blocks as of now. However, the Chief Minister has already constituted one committee to look after the creation of new districts and new civil subdivisions in the states. He has already constituted that committee. That is what he told me. Headed by, I think, Chief Secretary, if I'm not mistaken. So I think all this, works at the ground level has to be done by that side to give. Sohra, I don't know what is the status exactly as far as the government is concerned. This is also one part of the discussion which we had earlier. When the late Dr. Don was there, we had discussed this. I think it was agreed also that there is a point where it has been agreed that Sohra also deserves to be upgraded to a new district.